Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2005 Honda VTX1300. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2005 Honda VTX with 34,064 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a Freedom Performance 2-to-1 exhaust, grips, passenger floorboards, Mustang seats, a rider backrest, and a rectifier cover. Powered by a 1312cc V-twin engine, the VTX puts 74 horsepower and 91 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 4.8-gallon fuel capacity, the VTX has a 150 to 180 mile range. It has a 27.4-inch seat height and a 641-pound dry weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 930 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride, and our technician noted that this bike needs a carb service. It shifts and handles well. Additionally, our technician noted that this bike responds poorly in the 1/4 throttle to mid-range. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's chrome peeling from the exhaust, a paint blemish on the front fender, and scratches on the rear fender. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.